Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the obbies in the fairy world to get free rewards. So the first one's on the right. Let's just jump on this one. Sorry, let me just do that again. Whoops. Then go here. Then you're going to jump on this mushroom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump on the tree. Okay, there's a lot of rewards actually. Then jump on this mushroom, then jump here, and then here, jump on this tree, and then where else? There's one up here. So got a glimmering crate. Oops. just look around and see if there's any that you might miss. Okay, let's go that way. So I'm just going to go I'll just go back here and turn left instead of right. Okay, go 1, 2, 3, 4, then go on this tree, and then go left instead of right. And then you're going to jump on here. It moves. Then you're going to jump to the mushroom and claim that one. Then there's also one here. You're going to jump on this mushroom. Oops, I keep missing. Then jump here, and then you're just going to wait for this to come to you. And you'll see 2 more rewards there. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Okay, once you're here, you're just going to jump on this tree, claim reward. And to get to the other side, is there another way to jump? Actually, there's a lot of orbs if you see here. I think you're supposed to go on this ledge over here. Then jump, grab this one, whoop, and then grab this. Oh, I see. Grab that, and then can we jump here? Okay, we can. Is this doable? Okay, it's doable. And I think that's it. You just have one more that's on the... Ooh, maybe not. There's actually more. Wow. Oh, there's even more up there. So just explore, because I don't know how many they are, to be honest. So yeah, just explore. Oh, and I fell. Well, there's one on the floor, so I think that's the easiest to get. But yeah, that's pretty much the obby. Just explore it, and you'll get some prizes. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!